Hello everybody, I'll be speaking to you today about command line navigation. Just some basic commands in the Linux operating system so that next time you see yourself at this blinking cursor, you know a bit of what to do to navigate around the operating system. So we'll begin with speaking about ls. Ls is probably the most often entered command in the Linux operating system. It basically just lists all of the files that are in your current folder or directory. Now if you want to know where you are right now, you enter the pwd command. As you can see, I am in /home/8-bit is my current directory. If I want to change directories, you see documents up above. I can change directory with the cd command, cd documents, and ls. You see there's nothing there at the moment, so I want to go back with cd ... Now's a good time to explain some special directories in Linux. There's the ... directory, which means the previous directory, the directory, this directory, /, which is the root directory, and tilde, which is the current user's home directory. So if I cd to / or to root and list, you can see all of the files and folders in the base of my operating system. If I cd tilde, I go to my home, and I can cd documents because you saw I was up in my home already. If I cd ... again, I get back to my home, and print working directory, you can see I'm back where I started. So cd / pwd, it shows me I am in /, and once again, back where I'm started. The clear command can be used at any time to clear your screen. So first thing you want to do is ls. And if I want to make a new directory, you can use the mkdir command, or make directory. So I just made a new directory called test, and if you list again with ls, you see that test is in my directory. You can change to it with cd test, and once again ls, there's nothing in it. So I can use the touch command to create a file, and touch file1. Now if I do an ls, you can see that now file1 appears in my current directory. If I want to get rid of it, I remove it with the rm command, rm file1, and ls, and it's gone. So we made it with touch and removed it with rm. You can go back a directory with cd ... list the files, and we can remove the directory that we created. And that is gone. So now let's put everything back. So mkdir to make directory test, change to it, touch the file1, and you see that file1 is now there, and we clear the screen. Once again, file1 is there. Now if I want to rename the file, I can use the mv command, which means move, and if the second parameter doesn't exist, it renames the file. So you can see this is renaming file1 to file2. Now if I want to actually move it, I just have to specify a directory that's already there. So mv ... moves it to the previous directory. See, it's not there anymore. We're going to move back one directory, and once again ls. Finally, we can remove that file and remove the directory test that we created earlier. And both of those are gone. Now we're going to put that file back with the touch command, touch file1, and if we want to edit it, we can use the vim text editor. So we use the command vim file1, and we get here. You can enter the insert mode by pressing the I key and continue typing. So insert, this is my first file. Hit escape to get out of insert mode and into command mode, and you can enter :WQ, which stands for write and quit, also known as save and get out of here. And then ls, we can see that the file is still there. If we want to view the contents of that file, we can use the cat command, catenate file1, which just means print the contents of this file to standard out. You can see this is my first file is there, and we can remove the file. Now I realize that was pretty quick to go over this many commands. However, this was just a brief overview to show you how to navigate around the Linux file system. With these 9 commands, you can do all of your basic file system manipulation and navigation. So you can create, remove, edit, and change, manipulate files with these commands. Once again, ls lists files and directories within the current directory. pwd, print working directory, prints the working directory path to standard out. cd changes the directory. mkdir makes a directory. rmdir removes a directory. Touch creates a file or updates the timestamp of an existing file. mv renames or moves a file. Vim is a bit special. It's a very powerful command line text editor that can do a lot more than what I was able to cover in this short period of time. For now, you will basically be using Vim to insert and remove text from files using the insert mode. Remember that is I once you get into the program. Then you can save and exit with first hitting the escape key, then hitting :WQ to right click. Finally, the cat command, which is short for catmate, prints the contents of a file to standard out. Now that you know a few commands, feel free to test the waters and try these out. Pretty soon you'll be flying around that command line like an old pro. When you get curious, there will be more. There is always more. And until next time, good luck.